Let's learn the alphabet today with Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig is learning her ABCs. Okay, Peppa, these are all the letters of the alphabet. All 26 letters. Let's get our board and start learning. The first letter of the alphabet is A. This is A. A is for airplane. Let's put the letter A in the right slot over here where the airplane is. A for airplane. The next letter in the alphabet is this one, B. B makes the sound B. B. Here's the letter B. This is what the letter B looks like. The letter B is for boat, like this one. Boat. Boat. Here we go. After the letter B comes the letter C. C. This is the letter C. C is for cat. Cat. Let's put the C in the right spot. There we go. This is a dinosaur. Dinosaur starts with this letter D because D makes the sound D, like dinosaur. Excellent! After D comes the letter E, like Emily elephant. This is the letter E. E makes the sound like elephant. Let's put the letter E in the slot. After the letter E comes the letter F. The letter F looks a lot like the letter E without one line. This is F. F stands for fox because F makes the sound F. Next is the letter G. G makes the sound G. Like giraffe. Here's the letter G. There we go. After G comes the next letter, which is H. H makes the sound H. Where's our letter H? Here it is. H is for house. See the house? Let's put the letter H in the right spot. Now, we're on to the next row. This is one of Peppa's favorite things. I've got it. It's the letter I. Thank you, Peppa. Peppa loves the letter I because I is for ice cream. Yes, I love ice cream. Okay, let's put it over here in the right spot. Next up is the letter J. J is for jellyfish. J makes the sound J. This is the letter J. Can you say J? Great job! After the letter A is the letter K. K makes the sound K, like kangaroo. The letter K looks like this. One line and two more lines. See? It's right here. Let's put the letter K in its spot. Excellent! Next is the letter L. L is for lemons, like these yellow lemons. The letter L looks like this, and it sounds like L. L. Can you say L? Excellent! Next up, we have the letter M and N. M and M look really similar. Just the N doesn't have one more line. This is what M looks like. M makes the sound M, like mud. Just like Peppa loves jumping in mud. And N makes the sound N, like nest. See the letter N? It looks really similar. Let's put the letter N in the right spot. Next up, I see an octopus. Do you see it too? Oh, look, Peppa has the letter O. The letter O looks like a circle. It looks like Peppa's nose. Silly Peppa. But now we have the letter O in the right spot. Excellent. Now, let's go on to the next letter, which I'm sure Peppa loves. Wait a sec, where'd you go? Oh, Peppa has the letter P. And of course, Peppa loves the letter P because P is for Peppa. Peppa Pig. Ooh, that's 2 P's. Okay, next letter is Q, like for Queen. The letter Q looks a lot like the letter O with another line. And Q makes the sound K. K. Okay, next letter is R, like for Rebecca, rabbit. R makes the sound R. Oops! Peppa dropped the letter R. That's okay, let me help you. Here you go, Peppa. R makes the sound R, like rabbit. Excellent. Next up, the next letter is something fun you can make in the winter. It's a snowman. There's the letter S. S is for snowman. After the letter S comes the letter T. T is for tree. Look at the letter T. It almost looks like a tree. Let's put it in the right spot. Excellent. Next, we have the letter U. U makes the sound like umbrella. Perfect fit. The next letter is V, and V makes the sound V. Oh, thanks, Peppa. Peppa brought us the letter V. Let's put it in the right spot, where the violin is. The violin is a musical instrument. Thanks, Peppa. After the letter V comes the letter W. Ooh, that's a hard one to say. The letter W is an M upside down. Look at that. And the letter W sounds like W. W. Like this, whale. Can you say W? Excellent. And up next is the letter X. X is a tricky letter because it stands for xylophone, but xylophone sounds like it would start with Z. It's a tricky one to remember, but this is what an X looks like. X marks the spot. After X comes the letter Y. We only have 2 more letters. Oh, thank you for the letter Y, Peppa. Y is for yo-yo. Y makes the sound ya, like yo-yo. The last letter of the alphabet is the letter Z, and Z makes the sound Z, like Zoe zebra. Thank you for the letter Z, Peppa. That was a great help. This is what the letter Z looks like, and it's in the right spot. Wow, that is our whole alphabet. We finished the whole thing. Great job, Peppa. We could not have done it without you, and we couldn't have done it without you at home either. Thank you for all of your help today, and we'll see you next time for more learning fun. Bye-bye!